This is my phone N23, and in this short video I will share a few quick tips on how to fix and prevent overheating on this device. So let me begin this video by sharing the tips on how to prevent overheating from occurring, since obviously it is better to avoid or prevent an issue from occurring rather than fixing it afterwards or once it happened. So my first advice is that you do not overcharge your phone, do not use the fast charging wires and charging bricks. Just use, or should I say, charge your battery at the manufacturer recommended rate. You can find this rate in your user manual or in whatever other paperwork you have gotten alongside the phone in the packaging or in the box. Then another advice on how to prevent overheating is that you do not expose your phone to the direct sunlight, sun rays. If you have to use your phone outdoors, make sure that you can use it under the sun, of course. If you'll do that for a few minutes, it shouldn't cause any issues or overheating even. But if you will lay your phone somewhere under the direct sun for extended periods of time, obviously it will get overheated. So avoid doing that. Preferably you just keep your phone at your pocket, purse or backpack, or if that's not something you can do, you can always keep it or find a shadow to leave it in. Next, if the overheating already occurred and you are curious on whether you can somehow help your device cool itself down, absolutely you can do that. So go into your device's settings, battery, and switch on the battery saver mode. And well, if you want to inquire about how this works or how this helps, is that by switching the battery saver on, you are capping or reducing the processing power that your phone can use. And less processing means more laggy system or just sluggish or less responsive, but at the same time it will not draw electricity or just draw power from your battery too fast, hence you will prevent overheating. That's how it works. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.